Hello everyone. All right, in this video we have this probability question. Now we have at a political rally there are 8 Democrats and 10 Republicans. 6 of the Democrats are females and 5 of the Republicans are females. Okay, so if a person is selected at random, find the probability that the person is a female or a Democrat. All right, now, this is one of the many questions under what we call additional rules for probability. And this is the one whereby the two events, that is the Democrat and the Republican, all right, are not mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive is when the two events, okay, have a point in common. So in this case, they do not have any point in common. All right. So now the solution, okay. So we have, at the rally, there are 8 Democrats and 10 Republicans. So that means the number of people at the rally will be what? 18, which will be our sample space. So that means we can say that there are 18 people, okay, 18 people at the rally. There are 18 people at the rally. That is because the number of Democrats plus the number of Republicans, okay, that's number of Democrats at the rally plus the number of Republicans at the rally will be what? 18. And this becomes our sample space. Remember, sample space is what? 18. Okay, now, also, we are given that 6 of the Democrats are females and 5 of the Republicans are females. So which means the number of females altogether present at the rally will be what? 6 Democrats plus 5 Republicans. So which means number of female, okay, at the rally would be 5 plus 6. And that will be what? 11, because we have 6 Democrats. That is 6 of the Democrats are females and 5 of the Republicans are females. So which means the number of females present at the rally will be 11. So we have 5 plus 6. So number of female will be 5 plus 6, which is 11. All right. Now, again, we're asked to find out if a person is selected at random. We want to find the probability that the person is a female or a Democrat. Now, to find the probability that the person is a female or a Democrat, now we know that the probability, okay, now we know that in terms of probability, okay, in terms of probability, we know that the probability that the number of female present, at the rally is what? 11. So the probability of female present at the rally will be number of female, okay, upon the what? The sample space. Number of female upon the sample space. Okay, so in this case, we're going to have probability of female present at the rally will be 11 out of what? 11 out of 18. Don't forget that the sample space is what? 18. The sample space is 18. Don't forget that. All right. Now, also, we are given that 6 of the Democrats are female. 6 of the Democrats are female. And don't forget, we want to find the probability that the person selected is a female or a Democrat. So that means that the probability of Democrats, which will be what? Number of Democrats present at the rally out of the sample space will be, the probability of Democrats will be 8 out of 18, because the number of Democrats is what? 8. Number of Democrats present at the rally is 8. So probability of Democrats will be 8 out of what? 18. Now, remember, because we want to find the probability that the person selected is a female or a Democrat. So it means that the probability of a female Democrat, that's female and Democrats, okay, would be, now we know that 6 of the Democrats are female. Since 6 of the Democrats are female, So which means 6 out of 18. Okay, this is because now I said since 6 of the Democrats, 6 of the Democrats are female, because we have 6 of the Democrats to be female. Now, and again, I said this is not a mutually exclusive, this is not a mutually exclusive event where the two events have a point in common. So now we want to find out the probability that the person is a female or a Democrat. So that means we're going to consider the probability in common. So now we want to find out the probability that the person is a female or a Democrat. So that means we're going to consider the probability of, F female, that's a female union a Democrat, a female union a Democrat, which will be equals to probability of female, okay, present at the rally plus the probability of Democrats present at the rally minus the probability of female intersection what? Democrats. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. This is the probability of a female, that's the probability that the person selected is a female or a Democrat. So this will be equals to, so the probability of female present at the rally will be 11 out of 18. While the probability of Democrats present at the rally will be what? 8 out of what? 18. Okay. Now then the probability of female, okay, and Democrat will then be 6 out, which is 6 out of 18 will be subtracted from 11, that will be subtracted from what we have here. So in this case, we know that our common denominator is what? 18. Our common denominator is 18. So we then have 11 plus 8 minus 6, which will be 19 minus 6 over what? 18. So we have 19 minus 6 over 18. That will be equals to 13 out of what? 18. So therefore, the probability that the person selected, the person selected at random is a female or a Democrat, is equal to 13 out of what? 18. That's the answer. Thank you.